Hey guys, today I want to show you how to stop a squeaky belt, or how to fix a squeaky belt, dry belt, on your Street 500. I've heard it's a bit of a common problem with the earlier models. I'm not too sure about the newer model, definitely the earlier 15, 16, 2017 models, as the dry belt rubs up against the guard and the frame. So I'm going to show you a quick, simple, easy, costless way to fix it temporarily, probably about 2 weeks out of it, before you need to do it again. But what you need is in your shower. So let's go. I'm not going to take you to the shower, but just go to the shower and I'll tell you what to get. Alright, tools you need. HW 3/16, Allen key bit on the end, a ratchet, extension if you wanted it, don't need it, and the secret ingredient, bar of soap. What we want to do is we want to gain access to your belt. So what we're going to do, you're going to take this guard off and the bottom chain guard, sorry, belt guard as well. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 bolts on the top one and 2 bolts on the bottom. Now we've got that, take your bar of soap, and all you want to do is rub the bar of soap along the edge of your belt. Not too much. Alright, and what you might want to do is just roll the bike back a little bit. So we can get more of the belt all soaked up. So repeat that process until the whole belt's kind of covered in the soap on one edge, just one edge. As I said, don't put too much, you don't need too much on it. And then put it back together, we'll see how it goes. Let's try it out. All fixed.
You're fixed?
All fixed.
That don't.
So you guys, that's all done. So just make sure you got a little bit of moisture on the soap. So I said grab it from the shower, one that's already been used. Mine was a brand new one out of the box, so I had to wet it up a bit. That way it stops the squeak completely. But yeah, inexpensive, quick little trick to stop that squeak. It's a little bit embarrassing when you pull up and there's a lot of people around on the street. You get off your bike and you're walking it back into the spot and a bit of soap on the belt, boys, ladies and gentlemen. A bit of soap on the belt, guys, and all done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, all that jazz. Catch you next time.